Hey there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. Today we will talk about a problem that we are facing with iPad, and this problem is very old. I used to see videos is being made about it even a decade ago. I remember when I bought my first iPad, that time even the Apple Pencil doesn't used to exist. And then we used to have a passive stylus, and even with that passive stylus, we used to see we never can plot a straight line in iPad. And today in this video, out of curiosity, we will check whether is it possible now after 10 years. So let's start with some of very famous apps, for example, Notability. And for information, this one is iPad Pro M4. I mean, the latest and greatest. And here you might have seen one notification which is regarding AI or generative AI. So we are now in world of generative AI, and still, can we plot a straight line in iPad? Now, this is one of the most used app, or one of the very famous one, known for its robustness, reliability and simplicity. And let's see if we can create a straight line. Okay, that seems like possible. But again, I think I have enabled shape, that's why it is very straight line. So that is not exactly the one that I am plotting manually. So I will not consider that one as a line, okay? Now let me plot it again. Can you see these waviness? So still you cannot trace straight line in iPad app like Notability. Now let's see on GoodNotes. GoodNotes is also well-renowned one, and probably can open any of the document. Again, GoodNotes is well-known app and known for its number of features. I mean, it is very featureful app, unlike Notability, which do not focus on feature, but obviously a user experience of that app is unmatchable. Now let's try here. Oh, I have selected something else, seems like. So let me select pen here, and now again let's draw. And here also you can see the line is not straight. Still it is not straight. Let me now try to have a horizontal line. Probably the diagonal line might have issue. And yes, that's right. So you see, the straight line, horizontal line do not have any issue. Vertical line also don't have any issue. So as I remember, this problem only used to have with the diagonal line. Okay, so you see, straight line are good. Uh, Vertical lines are also good, but the diagonal one, they still have this issue. Now let's go with native app. Enough of we have checked with non-native one. So let's have this default Note app. Now I'm gonna again try. You can see the same issue still exists in case of native app. And you see when I draw the horizontal and vertical, there is no such issue. Now let me try to draw this line very quick. Now you see there is no issue. The issue only arises when you try to write it very slowly. Okay, then only we see this issue of waviness. And now this time I'm gonna show you through my camera recording. So that's how also you can easily see what I mean to say. Same, let me also do again back in this GoodNotes. And if I go fast, it is like this, smooth. And again, if I go slow, top to bottom, or vertical, or even horizontal, there is no issue. Issue is only with when we go, let's say 45-degree or at any diagonal angle. Again, let's go back to Notability. I'm also recording through my phone so that you can see how I am, drawing pencil. Am I doing any cheating or not? So you can see that. So I did some quick research why this happened, like why we cannot plot a straight line diagonally. Seems like something that is working in backend, which is touchscreen sensor grid alignment. They are optimized for horizontal and vertical positioning or lines. So this is the reason why we still cannot plot a straight line when we try to, draw a line very slowly. So the reason could be anything. So still after 10 years, despite having such a powerful hardware, the Apple have not figured it out or have not resolved this issue. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. What do you think about this issue? Do let us know in comment down below. And let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.